Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com project templates for agencies, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Monday.com project templates for your agency, start by logging into your Monday.com account. In the top left corner of your screen, click on the templates icon. A new window will open, showcasing a variety of templates available on the platform. Explore the options by using the search bar or browsing through the categories specific to agencies. Once you find a template that suits your needs, click on it to view the details. On the Template Details page, click the Use this template button to proceed. You will be prompted to choose which workspace you want to add the template to. Select the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu. Next, customize the name of the board, if necessary, to fit your agency's project specifics. After customizing, click the Create Board button to finalize the installation. The new board will be created and will automatically load with the selected template. Once loaded, review the pre-configured columns, items, and other features included in the template. Make any additional adjustments to better align with your agency's processes. Invite team members to collaborate by clicking the Share button on the top right. Finally, familiarize your team with the new board features and start managing your projects efficiently. You have successfully installed a Monday.com project template tailored for your agency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.